Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we take you outside there. We have a Denali all blackout. So we're gonna go through the whole process. One of the XL, the big one. So I won't bore you here. Outside we go. Okay, and the Denali GMC is here. Big mama, all blackout. So clean all of that. And then when we go inside we see what we have. We're gonna do the interior as well, put the coating. We're gonna wash first and down we go. So to the washing we go. And with the wheel cleaner that looks beautiful. Stuff works very well. This one here, look at it. Couple brushes. That's it. That tire is fully saturated of all tire dressing, so cleaning the wheel wells as well. Okay, the wash done. Now with the oxidation block, see if we can capture this. That's oxidation on the surface. And under the light, let's see what we got. Everywhere a little bit of marking. I saw something on the hood, maybe better to capture on the hood. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Moving along, and I had a mishap here. So my microfiber tiles are scratching this truck, all of them. I washed them, so I had to stop, go buy brand new ones. These ones here are real good for the coating. So never a dull minute, but we go. I'm gonna get this paint sealer now and see what we got. And there she is, the GMC Denali fully done. Swell Remover Pro X, the boosted. Touch up a few pieces here and there with the plastic dip. Looking good. Wheels and tire T2, and the wheel cleaner deluxe. But look at that shine. Interior done with the boosted as well. A lot of work. I think I got about 52 hours on this. A lot of work. So yeah, looking real good.
There she is. It's about 97 degrees here. The wheels look good. Interior fully done with the boosted. My coffee trick there. A lot of real estate here. So check us online. You can buy the boosted, put it yourself. If you're in the 954 area, I can help you. Right here. Beautiful. Okay, until next time.